23andMe is getting financially rocky, and it matters because that could be a concern for the millions of customers who have already submitted their DNA for testing.
Well, Fox 26's business reporter Tom Ziska is here to explain what's going on and what those customers might actually be able to do to protect themselves.
Caroline Raji, in nearly 20 years, 15 million people have spit into a test tube, sent it off to 23andMe so that DNA could map out their ancestry. It is fun information to look at, but the company has never been profitable and is now reportedly in danger of bankruptcy, which potentially means it could be for sale. That's of interest for those millions of customers because all that sensitive data, their genetic map, would be the valuable part of any such deal. Despite pledges not to share information, the company's privacy policy does stipulate that personal information can be accessed. It can be sold, transferred as part of any sale, merger, or bankruptcy. Simply put, if the company moves, the DNA data goes with it. Your DNA data goes with it. A few weeks ago, the company's board of directors resigned, leaving just the CEO who co-founded the business because she expressed an interest in taking the company private to try saving it. In published statements, 23andMe says company leadership is not considering any third-party takeover proposals, but cyber experts say there is real value to anyone who could put together a legitimate offer for 23andMe's treasure chest of information.
I can see other companies buying that data, insurance companies to begin with, especially health and life insurance companies, they will love to be able to have that information because with that they can project what's going to happen to you in 10, 15, 20 years.
And conceivably, if an insurance company thinks there's a good chance you'll get sick, they could charge you more or not at all and not cover you at all, just as an example. So if you'd like to limit the chance your DNA profile gets traded, there is a way to delete it. Follow with the bouncing ball here. Start by signing into your 23andMe account online, click Settings. Then scroll down to 23andMe Data, click on View, it's a little button there. Once there, scroll down to Delete Data, click on the red Permanently Delete Data button. You'll receive an email to confirm your decision. Again, that will permanently delete your DNA file except for any research you may have previously allowed, which will retain the information. If you didn't follow all that how-to list, I've got all the information available on my Facebook page. Watching Your Money, I'm Tom Ziska, Fox 26 News.